Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 8th episode of the Academic IELTS Writing Series. In this lesson, we're going to write body paragraphs for the table task. To respond to this task, we'll write a paragraph for coffee sales and another one for banana sales. In 1999, UK earned 1.5 million euros from coffee. This value was as high as 20 million euros in 2004. Switzerland's sales of the same product, 3 million euros in 1999, doubled in 5 years. Both Denmark's 1.8 million euros and Sweden's 0.8 million euros enjoyed an 0.2 million euro growth in 2004. In Belgium, 1999's sales of 1 million euros went up by 0.7 million euros. As for bananas, UK's 1 million euros grew to 5.5 million euros in 2004. These figures were 0.6 million euros and 4 million euros in Belgium. Switzerland's sales, 15 million euros in 1999, almost tripled half a decade later. However, Denmark's 2 million euros and Sweden's 1.8 million euros dropped by 0.8 million euros and 1.1 million euros respectively. Here is a quick analysis of our response. In the next lesson, we'll talk about the map. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.